Wanna learn how to delete your Pinterest account permanently? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Tap on the saved option on the bottom right corner. Tap on these 3 straight dotted lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings. Tap on account settings below edit profile. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of delete account. Tap on it. So you can see that closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your deleted Pinterest account will be deleted. Even after that, if you're ready to leave forever, they will send us an email with the final step too. If you want to continue, tap on continue on the bottom. So now you can go to your email address and then check the delete option. You can see that I'm under the home page of my own email address and I do have a notification from Pinterest itself for deleting my account. So I'm gonna tap on it on the top. You do your own. Scroll down. You can see that you have an option of yes, delete account. Tap on it. So you can see that your account has been closed and we're into the very first section where we can restart again. But we have just deleted our old account successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.